Today I'm going to be creating a 6x9 gratitude journal. So let's just go straight and start creating our journal. So let's just go to canva.com. All links will be in the description box down below. So while in Canva, I'll come here to customize, and then I'll change this to inches, and I'll do 6x9. So and then I'll create. So now this is our canvas. I'll come here to element, and then I'll put lines and shapes, and then it'll bring up these lines. Then I'll just click like any of these. I'll click on this, so I'll put it here. The good thing about Canva is that Canva gives us all these dimensions, so you can see how it's telling us where to put your design. Then I'll pull this. You can see how it's so easy to pull it to make it straight because Canva is helping us. So I have that line. You can see how straight it is. Now the next thing I want to do is that I'll come here and I'll reduce the size. I'll just make it to 2 because it's a little bit too thick. So that's perfect for me. Then I'll come here and I'll copy and I'll just paste. Then look at that. Canva, you see how Canva is telling you the distance. You see how it's telling you, it's showing you the distance. So I'll put it like this. Now to make sure that every distance is okay, you can watch the other video that I had already created on that. You just come here, you highlight these two, you copy and then you paste. Then you pull it down. You see it's showing us the distance. That's where it's supposed to be. Perfect. To make your work easy, you just highlight, you copy the next 4, you paste, and then you see it's showing you the distance. It's perfecting everything for you. You do the same thing, copy and paste everything. You see how easy it is, my overcomers. And Canva is just giving you the distance and showing you where you are supposed to place it. Now the next thing is that I'll just highlight few like this, copy, paste, bring it right down and fit it right here. Canva is just so perfect. So you see, that's so easy how we can just create our journal. So the next thing I want us to do is that I want us to maybe reduce this one, make this shorter, and then maybe put like a text. And when creating your journal, it's just your design, however you want it to be. So I can put like a date here. So I can just put something like date here so that people can write their date. I want you to know that when you are creating your journal, it's your design. So just make sure you do your research to know exactly what you are putting in your book. You can use things like Publisher Rocket. I've shown you how to use Publisher Rocket in this video. So I'm going to put every link I'm talking about in this video down below. Since it's a gratitude journal, you can come and take maybe like text, and then you can put maybe like a scripture down here if you want to, or you put a motivational quote down here if you want to do that. Then just reduce the size, or you can come here and instead take out this one line and then maybe put it at the top. Let's do that. So I can put something up here and then just put something like, His mercies renew me daily. Of course, His mercies renews me daily. That's a journal buy. So you put something that is really good to you. Of course, you do your research and see what is in demand. So I'm going to put this here. That looks good. So when you are done with this, you can actually come here, highlight everything like this, and then you come here to position. You just click on this tidy up. It's going to fix everything for you and make it straight. So you make sure you click on this tidy up, and then it's going to tidy everything up. Everything will be so organized. For this free content that I'm sharing with you, I just desire of you 2 things. 1, please like this video so that the YouTube algorithm will be able to share it with others. And 2, please, my overcomers, I just want you to take action. If you have all this knowledge and you don't take action, it makes no sense. If you have not yet subscribed, I want to encourage you to subscribe and become an overcomer. So when you are done with that, the next thing we can do is that we can just come here, duplicate the page, and then you can change this thing that is inside here and maybe put something else, or you leave it there. And then so you have one page, His mercies renews me every day. So here I'm going to put grateful for blessings seen and unseen, and then I'll just reduce the size so that it fits on one line. We have this on this first page and this on the second page. So the best way to do it is to try to make it so that the length are almost the same. That will be best. Now when we are done with this, so what you can do is that you can now just come here, and so we have 2 pages. You just highlight, and then you just come here, you duplicate it. It's going to make as many pages as you want, and then it's ready for you to sell. But another thing that you can do is that you can come here and maybe open a new page, right? And then maybe come here to element, take something like dotted line. You can spell it out here, dotted lines. And then you can take something like this, then you bring it here. You see, Canva is so good because it helps us to direct us on where our lines are supposed to be. Now you have that, you can copy and then do exactly the same thing that we did already. Maybe you can make like 3 lines like this. And then what you can do is that, let's shift it a little bit down. Then we can put another one here and put maybe like the date again. So the next thing that we can do is that we can put something here that says, I am thankful for, especially now that it's Thanksgiving season that is coming ahead of us. If you make all these kind of Thanksgiving journals, the demand is really high. So I am thankful for, you just create space so that people can write what they are thankful for. And then if you do something like that, there is a date. So the day that they are making this is like a gratitude journal. So they have the date here, they have I'm thankful for, and then you can even just copy this and do it again, and so make it like this. You see what we have done. So you can do something like this. You see, this is another page that you've just created, and they have their date, I am thankful for. This is just so amazing, my overcomers. You can do anything you want to do when it comes to journal. Just do something that you yourself you would like to use, and then do your research, see what is in the market that is selling very well, get ideas from there and make yours. So this is so beautiful. And then another thing that you can do, you can even put like a scripture down here. So these are just ideas I'm showing you. So we can make it like this. We have 4 on the same page, I'm grateful for. So it can be like a weekly thing, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then these other ones we have Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now you do this, you can now come here, and now maybe this is for the whole week. Then you just come here to this Greek view, and then you just duplicate it like this. So you see, it will be giving you weekly exactly the same thing. So you just do this and you have it until you have the number of weeks that you want. Maybe you want 52 weeks, you do that as many as you want. Maybe you want half, like 6 months, you do that, and then it's going to give you everything, my overcomers. So here we already have 64 pages. You can see how the design looks now. When you are done, you just come here to share, and then you click on download. You come here, you have all your pages here. You make sure that you are taking print PDF, and then you come here, you take this one if you have the paid subscription, and then you download. So let me show you how you can create a beautiful cover. I want you to go to Google and type KDP cover calculator, and then you come here. Now you will just fill out this. We are doing paperback. Our interior is standard, and then the paper type is white. The page 10 we are doing left to right. Then we are working with inches, and then interior we are doing 6 by 9, and page count we had 64 pages. So you put whatever page that you have, and then you calculate the dimension. Then you come here, you download the template. So after downloading the template, now this is what we are going to use. This one that says PNG, this one. So you can just open it. So this is the dimension we are going to use. It has taken into account the front page, the back page, and the spine. So I'm going to copy this PNG. So let's go back to Canva. So here in Canva, I'll put my dimension. Remember, it's inches. So it's going to be 12.394 by 9.25. So I create. Now the next thing, I'm just going to paste my PNG file that I copied. Then I'll open it like this. So I'll come here now, I'll go to element. So I'll go to element, I'll type floral patterns. Then I'll click enter, search for all these beautiful patterns that are here. So I'll just come here to see all. So I'm going to take this one. Now I'll just fit it here, copy it, and then paste it. Make it to fit here so that it continue with the same design, but just make sure that it matches very well so that you are not able to identify that there is a cut. So one thing that you can do is that you can come here and then take this and put on the back side of the book, and then just open it like this. So it will have, the front will be like this, the back is like this. This cover, I think I want to put the flower on both sides, so I'll just copy it and then paste it, and then just bring it here. Now we have it like this. Since we now have everything in place, I can go ahead and take out our design that was helping guiding us. I can take that out and make sure everything is looking good. So now the next thing I want to do is that I'll come here, take this and just put it here. So you see how Canva is helping us, showing us exactly where it should be. Then I can expand it a little bit. You can change the color if you want to change the color, whatever color you want. You can use any of these colors that are already here. You can use any of that, but I think I'll just leave the yellow. So you come here to text and then you take your text. I'm going to have something here like start your day with gratitude. So I want to have this start your day here and I want to make it like curvy. So we can come here and change the font here or use this one. So it has start your day with, then I'll just put gratitude under. So have like start your day with gratitude. And then I can also come here and then change the font. If you have your own pay font, you can use pay font from Creative Fabrica. You can use your own pay font, but the ones to here in Canva, they are great. So I took this one and this is how it looks. And then another thing you can do, you can come here, click on this one. I don't know if you can notice what is happening, but it makes this part curvy, makes it round a little bit, like makes it have this beautiful shape. And then you increase the border a little bit too if you want it to have a little bit more border. And then you can also come to the border and just change the color. So maybe you want the border around it to be like pink more. You see what I'm doing? Or you can make it black, let's say, or you can make it white. My overcomers, I think this is a journal that I will personally buy. Let me know what you think in the description box down below. So now if you have everything, the next thing that you have to do, you just come here to share and then you go to download. You make sure that this is on print PDF and then you go ahead, you download your cover. So my overcomers, then the next thing that you have to do is that you can follow the next video and see how to upload your book on Amazon KDP. I've done so many videos showing you how to upload your book on Amazon KDP. You can just follow one of this and go ahead and upload your book on Amazon KDP. So this is just so timely. Miss Diamond asked a question down below. I'm going to put the comment here that says that can I show the journal? So right here I have one of my journals. Let me just show you. So this is a print preview. I believe this was 8.5 by 11. I'm going to cover my pen name and this is how it looks. So the way I did this one, I had like days of the month, Monday, the whole week, the whole month. I had like a calendar and then I keep space for people to be able to write where they can write the month and then where they can write their dates. Then I also have the weeks, like every week, the days of the week, I had them down like that so people can put their to-do list. And then I had empty space where they can write their thoughts. And this one is really doing very well too. So the goal for this journal was just to help people to be more productive. Let me know what you think about the journal. I actually love it. So the comment was very timely. So hopefully Miss Diamond, that is one of my samples. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I wish you all the best. Just be creative and create that amazing product that anyone would like to buy, that you yourself you would like to use. Keep creating those businesses and your future self will thank you. Love you all so much.
Since we laid down to reflect upon it all, it's been a while since we stumbled out, since you dragged me out from the dark.